So the last video I left off with, I was 12 months, made my 1 year. I had to speed it up so I can put this video out for you guys, so I can show you guys how I tried those foam rollers. Such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. And let me just say, the beauty supply in the DMV versus Alabama, whew, total difference. I was in love. Let me just put it out there. I love this oil. I love it. For me, I wasn't trying to be neat about it. I was just trying to throw these rollers in my hair and get some sleep. So I'm all done, and I have only 3 hours for this hair today. So since it was last minute, I had to do a little rush, but I like the rush. You know, this is my mood. I was in a Jada Pinkett mood, you know, Jada Pinkett Smith mood. And so I found the dress at Ross, very affordable, and I just had to make it work for $19.99. But y'all know how to take rollers down. So it came out great. Like, I used a few hairpins to pin them, like the curls, but that was it. 3 hours. I was nervous, but it worked out. Had a great time. Definitely be trying this out again. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Like, comment, and if you're not already, subscribe. Bye guys.